Alright. At least in the pictures, look pretty sweet watch to open today. Pretty excited for it. Something that caught my attention a few weeks ago, and then I let one get away. And then another one came up in a group I'm in, so I jumped on it. Must just be an impression from the corrugation on the outside. Box is engraved with their logo. Pretty cool box. My first Zelos, I don't know how you pronounce it. Bubble wrap there. There's a stout snap on that bezel ring. The crown is loomed. I assume it's a screw down crown, yes. And the movement does hack. It's a Miata 9015, and it's somewhere in the neighborhood of 410 right now. I guess I don't know. Okay. All right. Maybe closer to 415. Nice milled clasp. The logo pressed into it on the outside of the clasp. Oh, it barely fits over my hand, so I'm probably not going to fit my wrist. Fits on there. It's pretty tight though. I'd definitely add a link. Probably just one link. All right, let's do that. Got it fitted nicely. I just needed to add one link. There are 3 more links sitting here that came with it. There we go. I like the way the date wheel is matched pretty well with the color of the dial and the bezel as well. It's like a green that fades almost to black, it looks like, as you get out to the outer edge of the dial. Maybe it doesn't fade, maybe it's just the way the light hits it. Not too sure, but I'd like to take a peek at the lume on this. Here's a shot of the lume. Very nice lume. And it's there on the crown. Pretty excited about this watch. I was looking at this case it came with, and I noticed this. I don't know what it is. Pretty cool card here. Looks to be made, maybe laser cut from some copper. And it's got the serial number, date, and the Zelos as the seller, so it must have been purchased direct from their website. That's pretty cool. I assume it's laser cut so they could do it all in one operation rather than being pressed and then etched elsewhere. Pretty cool. Alright, the watch is a Zelos Mako V3 in antique green. This is the titanium version. It was a run of 400. This is number 166 of those. And let's see how it keeps time. Not too bad, gaining about 3 seconds a day. And it's got 0.2 of a millisecond of beat error. See how it does with the 3 o'clock facing up. Not too bad, a little bit better beat error. Losing 6 seconds a day. And we'll put 12 o'clock up. And not too bad in that position either. 0.2 of a millisecond of beat error. Losing about 4 seconds a day. This is a Miata 9015 movement in this watch. But look at that watch face, that's so cool.